Welcome back. COVID-19 has not stopped folks from driving their cars, and it hasn't stopped those cars from breaking down either. We spoke with Mark Furbacher of Universal Imports this morning, and the first question we asked, can people still get their cars fixed?
Well, the good news is most service departments in the area are open. Most, like ours, are taking a lot of precautions. One of the things we're doing is making sure cars are disinfected before they go in the shop, disinfecting them again before they return to the customer, and we're not really allowing people in the building. So they're calling us, and we're taking the appointments over the phone, getting their car in the shop, and then they can pay by phone and pick up without any human interaction, which is really what most shops, I think, are doing similar protocols.
Any limitations in terms of parts or how long it will take in terms of the repair?
Maybe a slight delay. Most of the shipping companies are still operating at a pretty full rate. So we're seeing parts come in pretty easily. There's a lot of parts outlets here in town that we can use. So maybe a small delay, but not a huge issue.
Are any cars being sold right now?
Not many. There are a lot of dealerships that are not doing car sales right now. However, they are providing personnel that are working from home or in the sales department that can answer your questions. There are instances if there's a real need that a car can be sold, and some places are still operating as selling cars, although they're using the same precautions as they do in service by limiting, by expressing social distancing and limiting exposure to human interaction.
What do you think the long-term impact of COVID-19 will be on the auto industry?
Well, it's anybody's guess, and in some cases, we hope that we're just on a pause right now, and when we get back to normal, everybody will rush in and get their car fixed and buy cars, although it may be slow going to get back to it. The car industry is definitely going to have to wake up kind of slowly. There's a lot of car companies have stopped production of cars right now. So it's going to be hard to say. It may be a year before we feel the effects of the cars that are available.
And we thank Mark for his time at Insight. As always, if you missed any of this conversation, we'll have it posted online